Other side, same as the first. Oh, God. The down's easy. The up's not near so easy. Somebody as young and handsome as I am should not have so much difficulty getting up off the floor. Now the easy part. All right. In my haste to get this thing out of the shop, because I was just dying to see if it was going to actually work or not, I did not finish sheet metal, so then a buddy of mine gave me an air conditioner that leaked oil and undone my high-tech tape sealing. We'll see if we can seal this up a little better. What do you think?